I truly believe that human beings are born to live a large part of their lives outside, and I think that people tend to forget that. We get so caught up in the hustle bustle of life that we forget to just, listen to our nature and our roots and get outdoors.
The Yelcho is a perfect example of why I fish. We came here up the roads, up through the lakes, up the rivers, and then we get surrounded by the most amazing mountains, beautiful lake, Futaleufú River on this side, Yelcho River on that side, both different, both have nice trout. It's good. One cast, one fish.
All my friends are leaving town, and I can't catch a ride. All the fire is burning, and I can't touch the flame.
Coming to Yelcho definitely exceeded my expectations. The fish get enormous. I mean, the rainbow trout look like they're steelhead. There's huge brown trout. They fight like crazy. Even a small fish is definitely going to take a lot of line off your reel. So I was very impressed, and being able to fish for such fish, surrounded by 360 degrees of mountains and glaciers, it feels like you're in a movie. It's really amazing.
This place makes me feel like I've stepped back in time a little bit. It detaches me from my life in the United States, and it just takes me into a different, cross-cultural experience, and that's a big part of why I return here.
I fish because I am, and because the places where I fish are so amazingly beautiful that it makes me feel happy.
I can't catch a ride.
But then you meet the people, the guides, who are absolutely fantastic. Wonderful food, the local beer. I mean, it's just absolutely unbelievable and remarkable. The most dangerous animal in the world is the Chilean Cape buffalo.
Chilean Cape buff.
And
insight, camouflage.
Considered extremely and very big honor, a beauty honor. Touch the Cape buffalo with your hand. You will win cotton candy at the county fair.
Okay, let's hit it.
I'm playing with my secret weapon. I can't show you yet. If I catch a fish, I'll show you.
I fish because it gets me out into what I love most, and that's the surrounding areas of the places we fish. And it helps me appreciate a little bit better about what we're really all doing here in the big scheme of things.
Look at the one chasing it. Ooh! That's the one. Nice. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Cool. Oh, wow. Unbelievable. Just came out.
Oh my god, the flag just came out. I don't want to hold him. You hold him.
You can hold him just really quick.
No, you hold him.
That's unbelievable! That is amazing! Yelcho monsters! Okay.
There's no words or photos that can possibly express or share to people just how special this place is.